Get somebody else to do it.
The cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 3, and I am now in the process of editing Vlogmas 1 and 2. It's gonna be uploaded on day 3, but yeah, I'm so late. But yeah, I have to literally plan stuff to do. I feel like on days like this, I'm gonna actually put this in the middle because I feel like it's better that way. Okay, so yeah, I'm editing on Vlogmas day 1 and 2. That sound is crazy. Plans for today: big day, concert later on tonight. Gotta go get me some outfits. Gotta go get me some clothes. Let's see. It's like flowing, girl. Ooh, yeah, my body is looking like my real hair. I wish my hair was this long and thick, you know, but it's not. However, that's okay. And day 1 and 2, and I think I'm about to save it. If not, I'm not gonna save it. Today is December. Now I gotta find music, so I think I should probably, no, I can't because that tripod is right there. Okay, so I'm gonna prop y'all up while I edit this. But I'm just editing. Yeah, I just gotta add music now. Everything is laid out, everything is mapped out. If I want to put wording in it, I can, but I just gotta put music in it. And then these are the brushes that I have over here that I didn't wash, so I'm gonna wash these after I edit this vlog. And after that, we're just gonna go to some stores so I can find something to wear, you know, so I can come back and get ready. Y'all know how long it takes for me to get ready. But I'm not even doing any. I think I'm gonna do that brown shadow again because it's just like, you know, girl, you just want to be cute, you want to go to a concert. And that's my problem too. When I know that I want to do a dramatic look, I need to have a day that I know that I'm not going anywhere. If I'm going somewhere, it just needs to be cute, like simple beats, like brown shadows over the lid all the time, basically. That every girl does, you know, brown shadow, cute lashes, cute lip, you know, stuff like that. And if I know that I'm gonna go take pictures, it just needs to be that, because 3-4 hours on a dramatic beat is wasting my day. Like, I need to be time sufficient, okay? And I'm not. But that's what I want to do. But right now, and I love being a content creator. It's just over the years now, like ever since COVID started, it just seems so overwhelming. Like I just feel so depressed. Okay, and that's totally okay, because sometimes God puts you in uncomfortable positions to soar high. And that's my mindset. It has to be that way. I have to think that way, you know. And I gotta get up and be like, you know, you're beautiful, you're a great mom, you know, stuff like that. Just motivate myself, okay? Give me the all-time highest confidence, okay? So, yeah, that's where we are with it. I am about to put music in this video. Y'all gonna see it today, and I don't know where we're headed next, but wherever the day goes is where we're gonna go. So yeah, I am gonna catch y'all when I make my next stop. And I don't know what that is. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay y'all, so I'm done with the video. It's uploading, but I just wanted to come in. I did get I already had a bottle. I finished my other bottle yesterday, so I had a bottle of this, and then I recently just got 2 more from the Black Friday sale, and I'm about to take 1. I don't be consistent with these vitamins, so I don't know. You have to take them for 60 days. These are 60-day tablets, so every day. And tell y'all, the results, your eyebrows will be growing, your underarms, your chin, all of it is gonna be growing. But these are really good pills to take. They don't break me out either. Healthy hair adult vitamin with biotin. So I always rave about these. Like, they need to sponsor me and stop playing. Sponsor your girl, okay? Oh, dear. Sukiyane. Come on. Alright, y'all. So I did go ahead and wash my brushes. I didn't record that because it didn't look aesthetically pleasing to me. Though, get somebody else to do it. Cause baby, it did not look appealing to me. So I did wash my brushes. And I'm trying to rush because I think it start at 7. Okay, 6:30 to 7. But I'm trying to rush. So I'm on my way to Zara right now, so I can see what I want to wear tonight. I got my Tefla bag, so I'm thinking if I should wear the Tefla. It looks so better without them clothes on, cause baby, my neck was being covered. You know, I'm getting some. I mean, I gained some weight, so my neck. Girl, shut up, Summer. Okay, so I'm just letting my car warm up a little bit, but yeah, y'all, I'm on my way. Oh, your girl look good. I love this little bob on me. It's giving. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get into some stores. Yeah.
Brand new whip, got gold keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you go bleed. Got M's in the back like this and we. Cardiac glass.
Okay, y'all, this is cute. It's getting very much. It's matching. It's so crowded in here. Matching my Tefla bag that I got, and I could have paired some like new heels with it. I'm just trying to see. This motherfucker $60. Goddamn. This is cute.
It'd be dope if it was a dress.
Let me see this new shirt. No, trash. I don't like that. Oh, and I got this shirt. It's cute. Alright, y'all, so I'm trying these pants on. These. So I'm gonna wear nude green. Okay, I like these cargos, but Zara ain't meant for big booty women. Look at that. I can't fit this. It's a 40. Okay, y'all, so like I'm literally rushing. After I think we left off at the dressing room scene. It started at, I can tell. Okay, I washed up, I washed my face and everything. I'm glowing. It's 6:44, but it started at 6:30. However, I think like in the beginning they have like local artists, so I don't want to see them. So we should get there by like 7:38 to see like the big people, like Moneybag Yo, Glorilla, stuff like that, coming out. I'm sorry, it's making too much noise, but I don't be rushing, y'all. Like, ugh, it's annoying. I smell good. Wash my hands, hand sanitizer. Now let's get to beating his face.
I took the top off. I'm tripping like hot sauce. I got drunk in the clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can don't take me.
Y'all, guess who I'm here with? To lunch, y'all. I gotta tell y'all about Bigjam. So Bigjam yesterday, y'all. I didn't really record because I got angry. I feel like I got anger issues. I got angry because I was trying to find a seat, but the people in there, they're supposed to show you exactly what row to be in, and they're supposed to tell you exactly what seat. Now he told us a seat, but the other girls could put. Yeah, but the other girls had said these were seats 11 and 12. So we was in the wrong row, and the person who was supposed to be seating us was supposed to be showing us our seats, set us in the wrong row. So I got angry. Because it was just too much. Then it was a lot of kids in there. Then people were standing on seats, so I really couldn't see what was going on stage. Like, it was just too crowded, and I feel like I got anxiety problems. When it be like really crowded, I just can't, y'all. So I'm gonna do it here.
That's how we're doing today.
Okay, and you?
I'm good. My name's Kyle. I'm gonna be taking care of you. Okay, Kyle.
I'm just trying my hardest I don't know. I do be having. I want to talk to a therapist, y'all. Like, I remember I cried at $1 one year for my birthday because I didn't get my flight for peaceful. That's how you know. I'm just like, girl, you is crazy. I had left. I didn't even see Glorilla. I mean, well, we had left. I didn't see Glorilla. I saw Nardo Wick and then Tink came out, y'all. But I'm gonna redeem myself. Chris Brown concert was so fun though, y'all. Chris Brown concert, it was chill. Like, nobody was sitting on those seats or nothing. Like, you could clearly see the man. Like, it was real chill. I don't know. You could see Chris Brown like singing. Then we was in our chairs and stuff, dancing and stuff, and it was like real. Hello, it was fun. So I'm trying to redeem myself because I feel bad that I had got up and left. So.
And this the fourth quarter at 2.
I'm finna eat, and I'm gonna go back home and get dressed for Sunday baby bar, and then I got promo to do, so I have to finish Nova Beauty, and I think I got one more for Juby's place, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all another time. Not another time. We'll catch y'all when I get out of here.
I can do this without talk. I don't talk on no go. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch and I bounce down. Catch it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house.
Yeah, so this is the makeup. Yeah. What is she's giving? I just ran up the stairs, so it still looks. I'm breathing hard as hell. Okay, y'all, so I'm literally just it's, you know what time it is? It is 12:03, like too much. But I gotta literally get this promo done. We're gonna go to the boat. Try to see if we can win some money. Okay. So I tried to curl my hair too. You know. This is what it gave. I know I saw Calumet. She was like, I started watching the video because it's a smoke detector. Okay. They back at it again because once upon a time you didn't hear them before, so now I guess we need to change the battery, so you're gonna wait on that. They know it's been going on, so I don't know if they're gonna change it. But when stuff start beeping, black people don't care to change it. See, we do not care to change it at all. I'm just gonna keep beeping. But I'm not wearing this to the boat. I'm gonna change to some shirt, to a shirt and some jeans because no. I don't want to do that. And then my hair right here is like, I think my hair is like brown, like some kind of sandy brown, because it's not blending in. And I might have to edit it or something like that. And my the sides of my mouth right here, like they get wet, okay, and it starts to like crack a little bit. It's not cracking too bad now, but when I got a high saliva glands and it just builds up. And then I'm thinking about getting these skin vitamins, y'all. So I'm gonna have to try some of those. I'm gonna have to try some of those. Look at this lash coming off. Really?
Okay, y'all, we here. So I'm gonna play this game right here. I'm trying to see how you enter your damn cash. Look at me, I'm fucking slow. Okay, so I guess you can enter it in anyone. So I'll suck it up. I'm gonna put 40 in there. I think the jackpot is 5. Give it to me. Let's see. I ain't even played nothing yet, bitch. My ass don't even know what I be doing. I don't even know if I'm winning, y'all, for real. I ain't need that. I ain't need it. I ain't need this right here. Y'all see me? Y'all see me? I put 40 in and I'm getting it back. I need to go to 100 and I'm cashing out. Y'all just want $30 extra, y'all. I need that aid. Like, come on. What is y'all doing? Still going up. Yeah, I want to change my. I'm drinking on this. I think it's like a Long Island. But y'all, I feel like the urge to win. Let me take my jacket off. What time is it? It's like